Welcome to another episode of Southern Indiana Now. We are mixing things up a little bit, featuring some great places to visit across Southern Indiana. So we're taking a look at each one and featuring them on an episode of Southern Indiana Now. This week, it's Perceptions, Yoga, Mindfulness, and Art in Vernon, Indiana. A great place to go visit. Take some art classes, take some yoga, go out and just enjoy the beautiful art on their campus. Thanks to our sponsor, BK Media Solutions, for their sponsorship of this episode.
Want more local customers? Radio gets your name heard. Digital keeps your business in front of them. More reach, more attention, more customers. Local radio and digital marketing that works. Be heard, be seen, grow local. Use the power of local radio and digital marketing from the best marketing solutions team in Southern Indiana.
And we're back on Southern Indiana Now, and of course we're in the beautiful yoga studio, and we're talking today with Miss Karen, and we're at Perceptions, of course, and we're in the beautiful yoga studio, so of course we're supposed to be calm and collected and things in here, but I don't know that I would even ever pull that off in a yoga studio. So let's talk about what's happening here. Tell me about the heart behind Perceptions, and how did it get started, and where do you first see it going?
Okay, so Perceptions as a nonprofit entity, well, we tried to open in 2020. We were scheduled to open this building in March of 2020, and we all know what happened then.
Yeah.
We had acquired the building and had made this downstairs space yoga friendly, and we knew we wanted to do yoga and art, and of course both of those are very mindful activities. So the yoga space transitions every month into a different artist space, which transitions how we feel about this space. But we do multiple types of yoga here. Yin yoga will be tonight. It's an hour and a half of slower yoga, and then we do some restorative classes. We do flow classes. We do chair classes. We do kids classes, we do any type of yoga basically we do. We do individual private sessions, yoga therapy kind of work, as well as integrating movement and sound. So sound, movement, visual art, we kind of wind and weave that all together so that it becomes holistic, a holistic way of being and breathing and living in this kind of chaotic world.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. And if people would like to get connected with classes, what's the best way they can do that?
They can check out the website. The website always has an updated calendar. They can check in. They can sign up to be on our newsletter.
Okay. All right. Lots of ways to get connected. Yeah. Definitely want to check it out. Lots of fun things happening this summer. And of course, as you continue to grow and do things, I'm sure look for things right around the corner.
We're always doing things.
Yeah.
There's not a dull moment here. So
okay.
Always something to do. Some people can be here like 12 hours in a day.
Okay.
and do
all right.
stuff.
You might be one of those people. Yeah. I don't know.
It's
Definitely
fantastic.
check it out. Yoga of all types for all ages right here at Perceptions. We'll be back on Southern Indiana Now. I'm Kelly Trask.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed Perceptions, Mindfulness, Yoga, and Art. Check them out in Vernon, Indiana. And if you need help with marketing, check out BK Media Solutions. Great company, great place to start. Get you all the marketing help you need. They can help you in a variety of ways with digital, with website, with radio. They got it all. So have an idea for a show? Send us an email at southernindiananow@gmail.com and let us know what you'd like to see in Southern Indiana. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.